In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Flyadeal. To make this simple, I'll walk you through the exact path on the Flyadeal website so you can get your request submitted without confusion. Have your booking details nearby so you can reference them quickly while you fill out the form. Start by opening your browser and going to the Flyadeal website. From the main flight search page, we're not actually booking anything, we're heading to support. Look for the Help Center link on the site. It's typically visible in the main navigation or in the footer. Click Help Center to open Flyadeal's support hub, where they centralize policies, FAQs, and service request options. Inside the Help Center, find and click the section titled, "Was your flight delayed, canceled, etc." Did you book a seat that wasn't available? This section groups common disruption issues and is the starting point for refunds or compensation tied to service problems. Next, select My Flight Was Delayed. We're using the delayed flight path here, and the process is similar for closely related disruption topics within that same section. Opening this article gives you guidance and, most importantly, a direct link to the request form. On the article page, look for the online form link and click it. This opens the official Flyadeal support form in a new page where you can submit your case directly to their team. Begin by entering your email address. Use the same email you used when you made your booking, as this helps Flyadeal locate your reservation and send you updates. Take a moment to double check for typos. Your confirmation and any follow-up messages will go to this inbox. Next, choose the type of request. There's usually a drop-down or selector. Pick the option that best matches a refund or compensation request due to a flight delay. Provide clear, factual information wherever the form asks for it. If fields are available for your booking reference, flight number, travel date, and a short description of what happened, fill them in accurately and concisely. If the form offers an attachment option, include any relevant documentation only if prompted. Once you've completed the required fields, click Submit. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you'll typically receive an email acknowledging your request. Keep that message for your records. Check your spam or junk folder just in case, and avoid submitting duplicate requests. Reply to the same thread if you need to add details later. Processing times can vary, so monitor your inbox for updates from Flyadeal's support team. That's it. Follow these steps, and you'll have your refund request submitted through the proper channel on Flyadeal.